Ever wondered how all the jungle friends, from tiny ants to giant elephants, learn their ABCs to join the grand parade? Well, in our magical animal kingdom, learning the alphabet is the most exciting adventure filled with songs and dances. Every morning, the wise old owl, with his sparkly glasses, gathers everyone for the big ABC lesson under the giant mushroom. First up is A for alligator, who loves to snap his jaws while practicing the sound A so clearly. Then comes B for bear, who bounces up and down, making a loud ba sound that echoes through the trees. The mischievous monkey swings in for C prime, chattering cha. He climbs swiftly up a tall, candy striped tree. D for dolphin dives and splashes in a glittery blue pond, singing da with a joyful flick of his tail. E for elephant trumpets a mighty E sound, shaking the ground with his happy dance steps and big ears. F for fox runs fast through the fields, whispering foo as he finds flowers for the grand animal parade. G for giraffe stretches his long neck to reach the highest leaves, gently humming goo goo with a sweet smile. H for hippo splashes and rolls in the mud, laughing with all his friends joining in the fun. I for iguana quietly enjoys the sun, making a tiny sound as he basks on a warm, colorful rock. J for jellyfish jiggles and wiggles in the ocean, singing joo as bright bubbles float all around him. K for kangaroo hops and skips with her baby in her pouch, rhythmically chanting coo down the path. L for lion lets out a gentle l, 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 proudly leading the way with his magnificent sparkly mane. M for mouse scurries with tiny steps, squeaking ma ma as he collects cheese for the parade feast. N for nightingale sings sweet melodies, tweeting no from a blossom filled tree, preparing for the big show. O for octopus waves his 8 arms playfully ooh as he paints colorful banners for the party. P for penguin waddles and slides on the ice, in with joy, ready to lead the snowy section. Q for quail quickly pecks at the ground, softly ing as he finds shiny beads for decorating. R for rabbit twitches his nose, hopping R to collect crunchy carrots for everyone to share. S for snake slithers gracefully, hissing as he helps lay out the long, colorful parade route. T for tiger roars a playful tu, waving his striped tail, excited for the big celebration to begin. U for umbrella bird spreads his unique feathers, singing while protecting friends from sunbeams. V for vulture soars high in the sky, observing everything with his sharp eyes, quietly whir into himself. W for wolf howls a friendly whir, whir sound, gathering the forest creatures for the evening's grand show. X for X-ray fish swims transparently, showing all his colorful bones, making a soft sh, sh sound. Y for yak yawns a big ya stretch, shaking his furry head, ready for a nap before the big party. Z for zebra gallops with striped energy, excitedly in as he leads the parade's grand finale. And now all the animals have learned their letters, perfecting their sounds and are ready for the spectacular ABC Animal Parade. The lion leads with his L prime. The elephant trumpets his E prime. And the monkey swings with his M prime, creating an amazing rhythm. Children cheer from the sidelines, waving their hands as the animals march by, showing off their hard earned ABCs. Each float is decorated with bright letters, sparkling glitter, and yummy treats, making it a feast for the eyes. The music plays a happy tune, with drums going thit thit and flutes whistling fee fee fee, filling the air with joy. The zebra gallops with zebrae, the yak yawns with vibrae, and the X-ray fish glows with X-Pry, completing the alphabet circle. What a grand display of learning and friendship, proving that with a little effort, anything is possible. From A to Z, every animal now knows their letters, ready for even more exciting adventures and new words. Wasn't that a super fun way to learn the ABCs? Which animal was your favorite in the parade? Comment below and tell us which letter you love the most. And don't forget to like and subscribe.